What's up, brothers?
Hey, what's up, brothers? Hey, what's up, brothers?
Back with another video.
Finally.
After how many weeks?
I think
Forever.
it's been like a month. It's been like a month.
Yeah, it's been cool.
But low-key, like, we just make videos for fun, kind of. So it's not like, oh, we have to make a video today. Oh, we have to make, we just do it when we want to.
When we get better at it and we're not so busy, it'll be 3 videos a week.
No, probably.
No. Like what?
Okay, so today we're gonna do a
video of us eating and talking and seeing.
I don't know, is it a mukbang or a mukbang? That's what we're debating today in this video.
Yeah, along with other words.
Yeah.
So we got our Subway and some Starbucks, and we're gonna eat because we're hungry.
Starving.
She didn't mark which one was yours.
Bro.
She's so dumb.
Fire her.
Fired. If you know what movie that's from, comment it below.
You better know what movie that's from.
You better.
Better.
You're uncultured. Okay, so my order is a foot long on honey oat with ham.
Honey oat. Who the freak gets honey oat? I've never even heard of that bread, for being honest.
This Subway was tweaking today and didn't have everything that I usually put on it. So what I usually put on it is ham, mayo, lettuce, onion, cucumber, banana pepper, and extra pickle. But today it's just pickles and onion and mayo.
No onion. They didn't have onion, remember?
No, they didn't have banana pepper or cucumber. So it's a plain ass sandwich.
Dude, I'm so hungry.
Okay.
Okay, so mine. Oh my god. This is embarrassing. I got a turkey sandwich, right? Yeah, a turkey sandwich on Italian urban cheese bread, because that's the only bread. How would I say this? It's the best bread. It's the best bread. Best bread. With pickles, extra olives, light lettuce, mayonnaise, mustard, because a sandwich is not a sandwich without mustard, period.
It's a perfect sandwich.
No, you gotta have mustard. And I think that's it.
Okay, and then this, what is it, a coffee frappuccino? Is that what she said?
No. Coffee frappuccino.
No, she said a coffee, because look, there's a CF. Coffee frappuccino, add peppermint.
Yeah, something like that. It's like the cheaper
version. It's fire.
The cheaper version of the peppermint friggin' frappuccino.
Because I like the peppermint frappuccino, but not the peppermint mocha frappuccino. And I was like, but no mocha and no whipped cream. And she was like, why don't you just get this? I was like,
okay. Mine is whatever I said in that last video about my Starbucks order. That's what I got, with like the 4 pumps or whatever.
If you haven't seen that, go watch it.
Yeah, go watch it.
It's funny.
Go watch all of our 2 videos.
Can you hand me a napkin from in there? Because this is like in my way or whatever.
Oh, I also got cheese on mine.
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
And I don't ever get cheese on my sandwiches. Where the fuck did it go?
In there.
Oh, in the glove.
Bro! Okay.
So we're gonna do, we have a list of words. I'm sure this is a challenge somewhere, but we don't know what it's called. But we just have a list of words, and we're gonna like say them how we say them, because you know how some people say different things, like avocado. I don't know how else anybody says it, but someone out there somewhere probably says like avocado or something.
Okay, so the first one is aunt. Aunt or aunt? I say aunt.
Aunt.
Well, I don't know. Sometimes, like, I feel like it depends on who I'm talking to, and it'll switch. Like, Sometimes I say aunt, but then other times I'll be like, my aunt. So I guess I say both. It just depends on what comes out first.
I cannot physically get myself to say aunt. I cannot do it.
And then roof or roof? I say roof.
It's roof. No, wait, it's roof.
If it was roof, it would be R-U-U-F. Because
You want to get on the roof? You want to get
Yeah.
on the roof? I don't know.
I say roof.
I might say both.
No, I say roof. No, I say roof.
Data or data? Data.
Data.
I used to say data. No, wait, do I say data or data? I don't know what I say. Data, data.
I say data.
I'm out of data. I'm out of data. That one's an iffy one, like data. Yeah, I say data.
I say data.
You say
When
data, you said.
No, I say data. Maybe I just say all of these.
Seriously.
Data. Yeah, I say data. Do you have any data?
Choose one.
I say data. I gotta stop saying it because now it sounds like it's not even a real word. I'm like,
I hate
data,
that.
Data. That's not a real word.
One time, like, I think it was the word have, like H-A-V-E.
Mm-hmm.
I was like typing it and I was like, is this a word? Is this a real word? And I was like, yeah, people say it all the time. I have it. I have something. I was like, I had to convince myself that it was a real fucking word.
Pecan. Pecan or pecan? Pecan,
Pecan.
pecan. That sounds weird. Would you like a pecan?
Oh, wait.
I don't like that.
Pecan. No, I say pecan.
Because it's pecan pie, not pecan pie.
It's like a pecan pie. Yeah, it's pecan, right?
Yeah, pecan.
I'm regretting getting the cheese.
Why?
It's just making it taste weird. It was funny when she was putting the pickles on yours.
Bro, I told this girl extra pickle.
She grabs like 3 more
She put
pickles.
like 4 on there. I was like, I said extra.
We're matching nails.
I have
Ow.
them first. Root? Root or route?
Route.
Route. Well,
Route. It's route. Follow the route. Follow the route. No, it's route.
I don't know.
That's fucking route, bro.
Because there's like, what is this?
Route 66? Route 66.
Route 66.
Whoa.
I feel like it depends on like what you're talking. Like this one, I feel like it depends on like the context of it. So like I'm going to Route 66 or
Follow the route.
follow the route the GPS shows you. So like I feel like that one, it just depends on like what you're talking about.
But maybe it's Route 66 and everybody just says route because they're fucking stupid.
I don't know. Because there's a whole song about it. Get your kicks on Route 66. I think it just depends on like the context.
But the way it's spelled, it's R-O-U-T-E. The O-U is the ow sound. Route. If it was root, it'd be O-O. Like roots.
Yeah, but it's
like
Route
I need to dye my
66.
roots.
I think it just depends on the context.
She's wrong.
I'm not.
I'm just kidding. I actually agree. What's the next one?
Caramel. Caramel or caramel?
If you say caramel,
You're wrong.
Horrible.
It's caramel.
That's like the worst thing I've ever heard in my life.
Like, yeah, it says C-A-R-A, but it's still caramel.
Yeah. Let me see.
Because it's spelled caramel.
Caramel.
I don't like that. It's caramel.
You know, that is weird because it's spelled like caramel,
Mm-hmm.
but pronounced caramel.
It's pronounced caramel, so
I don't know what else to say.
I'm gonna start spelling it wrong, so that way it's spelled how it sounds.
Mm-hmm. Smart.
Period. Okay, so this one we had to stop talking about it when we were making the list. Like we had to like point at words
Which
instead
one?
of saying them. Nevada.
Mm.
Cause she almost started getting in a heated conversation with this. So I say Nevada.
No,
But
it wasn't about Nevada.
Yes, it was, because I've heard other people say Nevada.
I have never in my life heard anyone say Nevada.
I have.
And they're obviously stupid in the head. Because that's not how you say
Girl,
it.
I say Nevada. Well, you're wrong.
Fucking Californians. Californians. But nah, it's fucking Nevada.
Nevada. You really haven't heard anybody say Nevada?
Mm-mm.
Coupon? Or what is it? Coupon or what?
It's coupon or coupon.
Oh, yeah.
See,
It's definitely coupon because I didn't even know how to say coupon.
it's
so.
coupon. I used to argue with my ex about this all the time because he swears up and down it's coupon. Really?
Think about it. A car is called a coupe, not a cube. It's coupon.
Such a good point.
So it's coupon, not coupon.
Yeah, that's coupon. And it's, you know how it has the OU, like route? Maybe it's cowpon.
It's coupon.
Yeah, it's coupon.
Cool Whip or Cool Whip? Like, do you emphasize the or is it just whip?
See, but there is no.
Yes, there is.
Oh, because
The W and the H. So, like, do you just say Cool Whip or do you pronounce the W and the H? Whip.
It's cool whip.
Cool Whip.
Cool whip.
Whip.
It's just cool whip.
It's just Cool
like,
Whip, yeah.
no emphasis. And
There's no whip. It's just whip.
just cool whip.
Mayonnaise or mayonnaise?
Who the fuck says mayonnaise?
Well, okay, when I worked at McDonald's, a lot of people from like France and stuff that would go in, they would want mayonnaise with their fries or whatever.
Imagine they're all. Can we have some mayonnaise?
That's what they say.
Do you mean mayonnaise?
But like a lot of people,
we don't have that. We have mayonnaise
we-
though. No judgment. You're just wrong.
No. Yeah, it's mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Yeah, that's how they would say it, and I was like, huh? You want what?
Syrup. Some people say syrup, or syrup.
What's syrup?
I say syrup. She's all syrup.
Because look, the Y, syrup.
Oh, so syrup.
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 Yeah, it's just syrup, not syrup.
And syrup.
That's weird.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
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 Look, I took an English class.
I did too.
You took the wrong
And I
one.
passed with an A.
You took the
So
wrong fucking English class.
salmon or salmon?
Salmon.
Salmon.
Yeah, it's salmon.
Salmon.
I wonder
wrong.
why. Like, words are spelled like that. Like, why do they spell them a different way than they're said? What's the point of that? It's kind of extra for no reason. You know?
Yeah.
I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Okay.
Avocado.
Avocado.
You said
Avocado.
avocado.
Avocado. Once again, she's wrong. I'm just kidding. I'm JK. Cheese and rice, bro.
Avocado.
So yeah, avocado.
Oil.
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 I say oil.
I feel like a lot of people say oil.
Oil.
It's like oil.
My grandpa says oil.
Really?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Grab some oil.
Is he like Southern or something?
I don't know what he is.
I don't know what he is.
He's something.
Theater or theater? I say theater. Theater. Theater.
Theater.
Theater. Theater.
Are you saying theater?
Theater. Theater.
Theater.
It's not a real word anymore.
Theater.
We said it too many times.
Theater.
Theater. Like the movie theater.
Stop, you're like saying theater. Like
The movie theater?
theater? Theater. Theater, right? Oh, I don't even know.
However you say it, except theater. It's not theater.
I've never heard anyone say theater, but
I have. Would you like to go to theater? Theater?
somebody said that to you.
Mm-hmm. Is it GIF or GIF? I say GIF because it's a G, not a J.
It's definitely GIF because it like stands for something. I just spit. My bad.
Graphics interchange format.
Yeah. Graphics.
And it's not graphics, so it's
Period.
pajamas or pajamas? Pajamas.
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 You're in your pajamas. Like, what the fuck?
I feel like people from other places say like that. Like the UK or something, I feel like they'd say pajamas.
Why?
Timothy, go get in your pajamas.
Timothy. They don't even have that accent, do they?
It's probably a lot better than the one I just
We're
did.
slow right now. I don't know what people in the UK sound like.
Mukbang or mukbang?
Yeah, we're like doing a video on it, but we don't even know what the hell it's called.
I say mukbang.
I say mukbang. Also, we could just listen to people say it in YouTube videos, but
But everybody says it different.
do they? Mukbang, mukbang, mukbang,
I think it's mukbang.
mukbang, mukbang,
Mukbang.
mukbang, mukbang. I think it's mukbang, bang, mukbang,
Mukbang bang.
mukbang, bang, bang. Bro.
I say mukbang.
If it's a glove compartment or glove department, like in your car, what is it?
Okay, so I say glove box, but between those two,
Glove box, bro. That's why you wrote that? That's
yeah,
so fucking
it's a glove
funny.
box. Go in the glove box. But between those two, I say compartment, not department.
Glove department.
Glove compartment,
What the fuck is a compartment though?
like a box, like you
In the
put
car.
stuff in it.
Glove department.
Okay,
Glove
glove
department.
compartment is like a little
Glove
holder.
apartment.
A glove compartment is like a little spot that you could put your gloves in, right? A glove department is like a department of gloves. So like an area with just gloves.
I don't know how I feel about that.
But it's a glove box. Yes, it is.
I want to know what everybody else calls it, honestly. Oh yeah, can you comment? Please!
Come on.
Comment what you call it. A glove compartment or a glove department?
Or a glove box.
If you call it a glove box, get off this video. Yeah, that was weird. Glove compartment. Oh, fuck. Now I'm saying compartment.
It's a glove box.
Yeah, right.
So,
Oh my. Cheers. You're dropping everything, bro.
lettuce everywhere.
Lettuce.
Latusi.
Let us eat.
Period. Merry crisis.
Don't ever disrespect him like that again. R.I.P. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, no, anyways. Can you do the outro? Because I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I don't.
Okay. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Bing.
And don't forget to comment down below.
Glove compartment or glove department?
So is it glove box, glove compartment, and it's definitely not glove department.
It's
but
glove department, but we'll let that go.
just comment down below which one you think it is. And also comment like videos you guys want to see, because our biggest problem is choosing what to do.
Yeah, we never know what to do. Like, that's why we lag so hard with these videos, because we'll like
it takes
have
us
an
like
idea.
3 weeks to figure out what we want to do.
Yeah, and then we'll like have an idea, and then we'll like make a video, and then we'll just feel like it's not good enough, so we just don't post it.
And we only want the best for you guys.
Yeah.
So comment which one you say, and then comment video ideas that you guys want to see. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching. You can't even say
Bye,
anything else this
brothers.
episode.